Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart in Hand Creations and Events. Happy New Year, everyone. Today's DIY video will be the GlamBling bottle of wine. These are the items that we will be starting out with. I will leave a list in the description below. And if you are new to my channel, tap that subscribe button and come on in. So guys, real quick though, I wanted to show you a bottle that I had. It was an order that I started, but the order, it didn't pan out. But in the meantime, I had already started filling the order, and this was a bottle of Hennessy, not sponsored. And this is a beautiful green, golden green. You see the gold flicks in it. And I used the green tinted mosaic glass mirror. Yep, and I put some stars on the back. I thought that was nice. Something to look at in the front and something to look at in the back. So guys, today I'm going to try to do something as glamorous as this. And we'll take it from there. Alright, now that I have my bottle taped off, and I use painter's tape for that, and now we'll get started. Oh, I did all of that and didn't have the film on. Oh my goodness. Well guys, this is how it turned out. And when I used my mixture here, this didn't really do what I expected it to do. It didn't work as well. The glitter glue mixture thing did not work as well as it did when I did the green bottle. And I don't know if it's because this stuff is chunky and that glitter was fine, but I just wound up putting on the glue and glitter mixture as thick as I could, and then so it could stay wet long enough for me to be able to sprinkle more glitter on top. So this is what it is so far, and I guess I'll leave it alone and let it dry and come back and touch it up wherever it needs to be. But in the meantime, no, I was going to do something, but I'm just going to wait. Alright guys, what I think I'm going to do now is use this glitter and glue mixture, and now I'm going to put some on the outside of this. Make another layer, plus it'll seal this. In a few minutes, I'll be showing you why I said that this coating here was very thick. I didn't particularly care for how it dried. You can see that it's thick, and it covers up the shine of the glitter too much. Even though it's a clear, even though this glue dries clear, it still gave the sparkle a little dullness, a slight dullness. So I'll show you what I did to try to resolve that issue. Okay guys, at this point here, I believe there's nothing else to do except let it dry, and we'll come back tomorrow. Guys, these are the embellishments that I'll be using later. As you see, I have choices. Now that our bottle has had a chance to dry overnight, and as you see, this is what I mean about the slightly dull sheen, and you can see the thickness of the glue. So guys, this is how I'm going to try to resolve that. Here I'm applying a thin layer of the Mod Podge glue and sprinkling a little more of the chunky glitter on to try to bring that shiny sparkle back to it, the real bling. Okay, so now that I have brushed off as much of the loose ones as I can, now we can get started with the embellishments. Alright, I think I'm just going to figure out what embellishments I'm going to use as I go along because I have such a variety. So I'm going to start out with adding the guess I'll start off by adding these iridescent gems, mini gems, and I'm just going to put these around the frame of this bottle. So and right here, guys, is where I begin to apply the acrylic emerald shaped gems around the neck of the bottle. And this is the result of that. Right here, guys, this is where I decided to add more acrylic gems around the label to give what's there more definition. One row just really wasn't cutting it. I also decided to put one row of the same acrylic gems on the back label. Right here is where I continue to add more embellishments using the acrylic emerald shaped gems, and here I'm alternating the sizes, large and small. And here is the final result, guys. I think it turned out pretty nice. I did get some of the bling effect that I was looking for after I put the last layer on. And because it's sparkling right here, I'm satisfied. Yeah, I think it turned out really nice. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Yeah, I put in more work with this one than I did my other bottles, guys. And I think it's because it was chunky glitter. But anyway, if you guys like the content that I put out in my video today, give me a thumbs up for a like. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel, or if you are a faithful viewer but haven't subscribed yet, please do. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. And guys, I will see you in the next video. And again, Happy New Year.